Ever wondered why that annoying itch just won't go away, despite all your efforts? Could it be a yeast infection or Candida overgrowth? These common yet often overlooked health issues can cause a myriad of uncomfortable symptoms, from constant itching to fatigue. They are a problem because they disrupt our body's balance, often leaving us feeling less than our best. That's why it's crucial to address and eradicate these pesky invaders from our bodies. So if you're struggling with symptoms that suggest the presence of Candida or yeast, stay tuned to learn how to effectively eradicate them. Before we dive into the solutions, it's essential to understand what Candida and yeast infections are. Candida is a type of fungus, a yeast specifically, that lives in small amounts on our skin and inside our body. It's typically harmless, but problems arise when it begins to multiply unchecked. This overgrowth can lead to infections known as candidiasis, which can affect various parts of the body, including the mouth, throat, gut, and vagina. The causes of Candida overgrowth vary. It can be spurred by a diet high in sugar and refined carbs, excessive alcohol intake, a weakened immune system, or prolonged use of antibiotics, which kill off the healthy bacteria that keep Candida in check. Unchecked, Candida overgrowth can lead to symptoms like fatigue, digestive issues, and recurrent yeast infections. It's crucial to keep Candida under control to maintain overall health. Now that we have a better understanding of these infections, let's explore the ways to eradicate them. Eradicating Candida and yeast from your body involves a few essential steps. Let's delve into them, starting with a balanced diet. Incorporating foods rich in fiber, protein, and healthy fats while avoiding sugar and processed foods is crucial. This not only boosts your immune system, but also creates an unfavorable environment for Candida and yeast to thrive. Next, we have probiotics. These are the good bacteria that help maintain a healthy balance in your gut. Including probiotics in your diet can help control the growth of yeast, supporting your body's natural defenses. Then, there's antifungal medications. These can be prescribed by a healthcare provider to directly combat the yeast infection. They work by disrupting the cell wall of the yeast, leading to its destruction. Maintaining good hygiene is another key step. Regularly cleaning and drying the affected area can prevent the growth and spread of yeast. It's also important to wear breathable fabrics to reduce moisture buildup, a common cause of yeast infections. Lastly, regular exercise. This helps improve circulation and boost your immune system, making your body more resistant to infections. But remember to shower immediately after exercising to prevent yeast growth. By diligently following these steps, you can effectively rid your body of Candida and yeast. But remember, consistency is key. So, to quickly recap what we've discussed in this video, we've delved into the topic of Candida and yeast infections, unpacking what they are and how they can impact your health. We've learned that these tiny organisms, although often harmless, can turn into a nuisance when their growth goes unchecked. We've explored the symptoms to look out for, like fatigue, digestive discomfort, and skin irritations, and highlighted the importance of early detection and consultation with a healthcare professional. Then, we've tackled the meat of the matter: how to effectively eradicate Candida and yeast. We've discussed dietary changes such as reducing sugar intake and the benefits of probiotics. We've also talked about antifungal medications and natural remedies like garlic and coconut oil. Remember, a healthy body is a happy body. Take control of your health today by keeping Candida and yeast at bay. Thank you for watching and stay healthy.